In this video, we will see how we can use the whole visit command in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Select File, click on New, select Part, and then click OK. Select top plane and click on Sketch. Now select Center Rectangle here and make a center rectangle at this origin. Now select the Smart Dimension and specify the dimension of these lines, 300 mm, and specify the dimension of this line as 200 mm. Now go to Features, select Extruded Boss Base and extrude it up to 20 millimeter. Then check this box. Now let's change the background to plain white and specify some appearance. You can specify any material here. I am specifying this nickel. Okay. So select this face, click on Sketch and make a center rectangle here again like this, and make another one, the center rectangle from origin to this point. Now let's specify the dimensions, the distance between these two lines as 15, and similarly the distance between these two lines as 15. And now go to Features, select Extruded Boss Base and extrude it up to 60 mm. Just increase this number from here and then check this box. So I have forgot to apply some fillet. For that, just drop down this, click on Sketch and Edit Sketch, and here select this fillet option, Sketch Fillet, and simply select the dot between these two lines like this, and finally this one. Check this box and increase this radius, this one, increase this radius to 15. So basically this is the radius of the fillet. Now check this box and now go to Features and select this fillet. So select these four corners, this one by one. You have to select these four corners, and for dimension of this fillet specify as 15, and then check this box. So fillet has been applied, and now it's time to apply some hole wizard. So select this hole wizard and select this option, select the first one and now specify these properties. For size I am selecting this 4. Select this blind option and the depth is 15 mm. Okay, so now go to positions and select this surface and now let's specify the position of the hole. Okay, so check this box now. This hole has been created through hole wizard, but the size is too much small, so let's increase it in size here, specify 6, and now it's look better. Check this option and now mirror these features. In plane, I am specifying this right plane, and you can see the feature has been mirrored. Again, select the mirror command, and this time select this front plane, and you can see the holes have been mirrored. If you want to learn more about SolidWorks, you can get the link from the description. Thank you.